How to use the Slack mobile app. Slack allows you to organize conversations, share files, manage projects, and stay connected with your team in real time, all from your mobile device. So first of all, you need to install the Slack app from the Google Play Store or App Store on your device. Once the app is installed, tap on the icon to open it up on the screen. Once the app is open, a page will appear where you will find the Get Started button. Tap on that to start. The first step is to create an account. For that, you can start with your email address, or you can go with your Gmail account or Apple ID. If you have already signed into your computer, simply scan the QR code to log in. For this demonstration, I will go with a Google account. Select your account and allow permissions to create your account. Once you sign up, you need to create a new workspace, so tap on Get Started. Here, you need to add an image and a profile name. Tap on the profile image icon, and it will open your phone's media gallery on the screen. Select an image. Once the image is open, tap Choose from the bottom right. Now give a name to your profile. I am going with a demo name, but you can choose accordingly and move to the next page. On this page, enter the name of your company or team, which will display as your workspace name. Once done, move to the next page. From this page, you will find methods to add members of your team. You can add them by sharing a link, adding from your contacts, or by email address. I am going to skip this for now, but you can follow these steps for your team. Here, you have to write your project name, on which your team will work. It could be anything. I'm going to write about social media. Now we are at the final step, where you turn on notification settings, and from the pop-up, tap on the Allow button for all notification alerts. Finally, tap on the Get Started button, and there you go. The account and workspace have been created. Now let's start to explore its features one by one. From the top left side, tap on this icon, and a sidebar will appear where you can see your active workspace. If you want to add another, tap on Add a Workspace from the bottom. You will see the email that you used to sign in, and you can sign in to another workspace or join someone's workspace if you are invited. You can also create another new one if needed. Back from the sidebar, open Preferences. From this page, you will get options to customize notifications or app appearance. In the App Icon section, you can change the app icon color from the available styles. If you select a different one, you can preview it on your mobile homepage. You can see that the Slack app icon has changed. This is a unique built-in feature. You can explore other appearance options or scroll down to find more settings related to language, privacy, and security, or troubleshooting if you face any issues while using the app. At the very bottom, you will find the administration section to manage billing details for paid Slack plans and view analytics for your account. After exploring these options, let's go back to the home page. In the center of the screen, you will find the channels list, and you will see the social media channel we created during setup. To create another one, tap on Add Channel and choose an option. You can browse channels, but for a new one, I will go with Create Channel. Enter a channel name. It can be anything similar to the social media channel we saw earlier. From the top, move to the next page. Select the channel visibility. Since I am creating this for my team, it should be public, but you can also create a private channel for specific team members. Finally, tap on Create. And there you go. A new channel has been created. The next step is to add members. Since we just created a new account, I don't have any members added yet, but you can use their username or email to invite them. For this newly created channel, you can add a description for your team about current topics and set a detailed description to help them understand the project. At the bottom of the message bar, type your message to let your coworkers know you are here. You will get their response here. Back on the home page, you will also find the Direct Messages section, where you can see the list of members you send direct messages to. To create a new one, click on Start a New Message. From here, you can select a person or choose a channel to send a message in multiple channels at once. After selecting, type the text in the message bar, such as an urgent task or a reminder for an upcoming meeting. All members in the selected channels will receive the message. From the home page, you can also add more teammates to help you manage your team. Now from the bottom menu, open the DMs page, where you will receive all direct messages. In the next page, called the Activity section, you will be notified if someone tags you in channel conversations or assigns a project. Now tap on the three dots to open more features. Here you will browse your canvases, lists, and attachments shared by you or your team. Some features are only available for Pro users, and we are currently using the free plan. Next, from the top right, click your profile icon to open your profile page. Tap on What's Your Status, and you can update your profile by typing a status or selecting an option from the list. After selecting, tap the checkmark to apply. You can see a green dot under your profile, which indicates you are active. If you want to take a break, simply tap on Set Yourself Away, and your status will show that you are not available. You will again see the option to invite team members, similar to the setup process. Next, tap on View Profile. Here you can change your profile photo, set a status as we already did, and edit your profile name. You can also find your contact information and edit it if needed. Before we end, Slack's mobile app brings all your channels, conversations, and teamwork together in one place, making collaboration faster and more organized. And that's it. This is how you can use the Slack mobile app on your phone to manage your team and complete your projects through collaboration.